properly. Cover. All of you be active. Inside. Up. Inside. Down. Stand.
Don't make noise, eh?
Do it properly. Attention. All of you. Produce sound, eh? Last boys, are listening to me? Class 4. Are listening or not? All you produce sound properly. Stand it. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Get ready for national anthem, all of you. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
You have to follow together this piano, right? Not another. You play a bit slowly. Slowly you do it.
Okay, let's cover up. Inside. All of you, hands up. Up. Straight hands. Straight. Straight up. Hands up. Clap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Inside. Dipan ko lang isa ni. Hands down. Be active and produce sound.
Produce louder sound.
Steady.
Yeah.
Attention. Steady. Attention. Class 8, they don't know how to do standards.
Not raising the hand.
Commanders move
What is
side
that?
in front and back. You
Huh?
go there
Class
and
eight,
check
boys.
front to back.
What am I doing?
Not only in one place.
Feeling problem on your legs? Huh?
Do it again. Standing. Attention. Okay. Be ready for school song. So ready. 1, 2, 3, start.
Camera ball. Camera. Inside. Up. Level. Inside. It's down. Stand is. Attention. Stand is. Attention.
Okay, for some information, I would like to welcome our respected vice president.
Thank you very much. Because, okay. Everybody cover up. Do it together. And side. Hands up. Clap. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Done. Inside. Hands down. Stand at it. Do it together. Attention. Stand at it. Okay. So today is 25th of Asar 2082, Wednesday. And tomorrow, there is Teachers' Day. So Anupam is going to organize, especially students are going to organize grand Guru Purnima celebration. So tomorrow there will be teaching learning activities till 4th period. And from 5th period, the program. Especially they have prepared cultural program. So those who are taking part in dance, they can wear dance dress. Understand? And those who are not taking part in such dance activities, they can wear school uniform. So matter is like that. So revision of the course is going on. Please practice again and again. Write down. Mainly you have to keep in mind, there are 4 areas of learning. Reading, writing, listening and speaking. During writing and listening, you have to keep silent and listen carefully. And while writing also, please keep silence and write down what is very, very important for you. And speaking time and reading time, you have to produce sound. Speaking, only one person at a time. Reading, everybody will read so that they can inculcate easily. When you complete writing your classwork, homework, submit your teacher. Tomorrow your copies will be inspected. Class 4 to class 10, your copies will be inspected tomorrow. That's why by today all copies must be submitted for checking. Remember, we have hung 2 flex boards which give you the correct way of speaking. One is near to the staff room, next is near to the hall. So please check it and follow it. Give emphasis on English language because it is international language and it shows your smartness as well. On Friday, there will be your minor exam as well as project work submission. You have already got the project work from the subject teachers. I hope you might have made ready. On that day, you have to submit and you will get the marks. We will judge you in oral way also. That's why Viva will be taken on the particular exam day. A theory critical exam also will be taken on the same day. So be prepared for it. Time management is time saving as well. That's why manage your time and focus on study. And today we are going to celebrate birthday of two students. Let's welcome on the stage Saurabh Bomzon from grade 4 and Salina Magar from grade 6. Saurabh and Salina. Okay, so let's wish them in our own way.
So let's ask them to light the candle.
Let's like both of you come.
Okay,
Light one.
are you ready? So clap must continue till we chant all those mantras. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Subhatava Janmadeva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. Jaya 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 Tava Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam. Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam. Subhatava Janmadeva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. On the special occasion of their birthday, Saurabh's birthday and Sanna's birthday, entire Anupam family wishes them happy, healthy and prosperous birthday. Let them have a long life like those of Ashtachiranjeevis and let their wishes be fulfilled as soon as possible. Let's wish them in Western pattern. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Saurabh and Salina. Happy birthday to you. Really, we are thrilled to celebrate their birthday. Now it's the time to hear the birthday speech from today's special people. Saurabh Bomzon.
Namaskaram, good morning to all. As you all know, it's Saurabh Bomzon from grade 5. About to give us a speech on the topic of birthday. Birthday comes once in a year. We celebrate it joyfully. At last, I want to thank Anupam family to wish me thank you.
Okay. I made one mistake. He is from grade 5, right? Okay, Saurabh Bomzon from grade 5. Sanna from grade 6. Okay, now Sanna's son.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me Salina Magar from grade 6 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of birthday. Birthday is a special day for everyone. It comes once a year. Today is my birthday and I am so happy and excited. First of all, I like to thank my parents to born me in this beautiful world, and I also like to thank the Anupam family for wishing me thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Salina and Saurabh. Attention. Cover up. Side. Up. Clap. Side. Down. Stand at ease. Again, no similarities there. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Nirav Manandar be active. Stand at ease. Attention. Okay, march time. Class 4 girls, move forward. Class 9 boys, move forward.
Shugam.